Hello, 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 all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and forgive me, I could not find my pick this morning to fix my hair. And so, yeah, you're getting me right out of the shower with my hair all in a curly hot mess. So, this is real, guys. This is what you get when you watch Critters Crochet. You get the real me, craziness, and all. So, here we go. Today is day 4. It is Thursday, December the 4th, and it is day 4 of my collab with Shannon at the Spoonie Stitcher. And we are doing 12 days of Christmas. We have sent each other a box with 12 gifts in it, and we're opening one gift each day for the first 12 days in December. And I'm a hot mess right now because I fell asleep last night before recording this video. So I'm doing it this morning, and I have to leave here in an hour to go take mom to a doctor's appointment. So here we go. I have the day 4 gift from Shannon. And then I have the last gift that's from her mom that's not numbered. And we'll look at our day 4 little tab afterwards. But I'm going to open Shannon's gift first today. And then I will open up the gift that her mom sent me. Uh, so, oh, wait a minute. Oh, flip over, yeah. Pink soft plus yum. Pink soft plus yum. All right, I'm going to guess. Pink and soft socks or slippers. Okay, slipper socks. We'll put them together, slipper socks. The yum. What's pink and yummy? Maybe some bubble gum? I have no idea. All right, let's open this up and see what's in here. Oh, that is hilarious. I love it. It's a pair of socks. I was right. There's no candy or treat in here. I thought I was feeling this label and I thought there was something else in there too. That is so cute. Wonder Shop soft, super soft crew socks. And they are so soft. Oh my word. And it says baking Christmas memories with little, look at that, how cute, little gingerbread man and a rolling pin. That is so cute. That is adorable. Oh, they're so soft. Thank you, Shannon. I will be wearing these today. Yep, got to show off my socks. So, let's see what day 4 said underneath. They were cute. And yes, they are. They are super cute. All right, let's put this back this way. And look at this. This is what Shannon's mom sent me. This is the last one. She sent me 3 things. So this is the third one. I got the bath bombs. So far, it's been bath bombs, the pink sparkly rubber duck. And now let's see what this one is. I'm so excited. I wonder if it's like a blanket of some kind. It's squishy soft like a blanket. Where's my cutter? My little slice. This is the coolest thing. This little cutter is so cool. I mean, it's helping me open these up without any problem. Oh. I have got the sniffles this morning. So forgive me. Here we go. Ooh, it's pink and white. Oh my word. What is this? I'm so excited. I got to stand up and open this. I wish you could feel how soft this blanket is. How cute is this? It's pink trees on this side. And then if you turn it around, they're white trees on this side. Oh, I love it. I love it. Thank you, Shannon's mom. Oh, oh, this is going down on with me on the couch. And I am going to be wrapping myself up in this while I crochet. This is amazing. Oh, it feels so good. Someone was asking yesterday. I found out the sparkly duck came from Five Below. That's where Shannon's mom found it. So Five Below is where she got this. If anybody's interested. Oh, this is so warm and soft. I have to take my mom to a doctor's appointment this morning. She's got to be there at 8:30. And it is so bitter cold here. Winter has come on like you flipped on a light switch. I mean, we went from no jackets one day and 70 degrees to flip a switch, freezing sleet, rain, and we haven't got the snow yet, but freezing sleet, freezing rain, sleet, I guess that's the same thing, isn't it? And 30 degrees the next day. I mean, winter wasn't playing this year at all. So, and then Friday, or, well, yeah, tomorrow afternoon, about 1 o'clock, we are heading out to about 2 hours south of where we are here in Tennessee. Our youth minister has set up a youth retreat for this weekend. And Steve and I are going early before the kids and everybody get there. I'm putting in a Walmart pickup order for the Walmart that's close to where we're going to be staying, and for all the food for the weekend. My husband and I are going to go pick up all the food and go to the Airbnb, and we're going to get everything set up, and we're going to go ahead and start cooking dinner. We're going to have tacos Friday night. So we're going to go ahead and cook everything for the tacos. And then the kids will get there around 6 o'clock, and we'll be there all weekend. And I don't know why we're doing a retreat in December. I don't know, but we're doing it, and it's going to be fun. So I've got to get myself together and get packed and get ready for doing that tomorrow. So my husband's getting in late from work tonight. So you're going to see a bunch of videos the rest of this week and the weekend. You're going to see all the videos with me in this. And it's not because I'm disgusting and I never change my clothes. It's because I have to film all of my videos for the weekend for the 12 days of Christmas. So they're up and scheduled to go while I'm gone on this youth retreat. So now that I got that all out, recipe for the day. This is one of my son-in-law's favorite thing to eat at Christmas. And it's dirty snowballs. That's what we call them. And the way you make them is you get a packet of the Oreo cookies, oh my goodness, the ones that's got the double stuff. There we go. I couldn't think of that for nothing just a second ago. The double stuff Oreos. You want the double stuff, not just the regular ones, but get the double stuff. And you put all of those in a blender, or you can do them by hand, whatever. You want to crumble all those cookies up until they're a powder. Okay, just really crumble them up good. I put them in a blender because it's just faster. Blend those up, put them in a bowl, and then you add 1 8-ounce pack of cream cheese to that, and mix that all up. Just cream cheese and Oreo cookies. Mix that all up, put it back in the refrigerator to chill for about an hour or 2 hours. And then you get that out, and you get a pack of almond bark, the white almond bark. You get a pack of that, and you break it up into its little squares, and then you microwave that at like 30 seconds to a minute at a time until it's all completely melted. And then what you do is you take that Oreo mixture and you make them into little balls, and then you dip them into the chocolate, white chocolate. Hence the name Dirty Snowballs, because they're white on the outside, and when you bite into them, you see the dark Oreo that looks like dirt. So Dirty Snowballs. So, and you just put that, after you dip them in the white chocolate, you put them out. I put them out on wax paper, and I just let them set until that almond bark sets. And then I just put them on a real pretty little Christmas platter, and there's your Dirty Snowballs. So there's your recipe for today. Super quick, super easy. Um, and my shout out for today is, I want to shout out um, Charity at Frog Crochet. And let me pull up her, and I will tag her in the, I will tag her below in the description box. And let me look. I think that she is joining, let's see, January. Yeah. Uh, she is joining us. Charity is at Frog Crochet is joining us in January for Battle of the Stitches, along with Lori from Lori's Stories and Crochet. So, but Charity is from Frog Crochet, and like I said, I'll tag her below. She is such a sweet Christian lady. She incorporates a Bible verse or a devotional into her videos, and she's got some really good videos. So you should go and check out her channel. Uh, so yeah, that's what's happening right here on Critters Crochet. Tomorrow will be day 5. So I will have another recipe and a shout out for you, and one each day through the weekend. Um, Tonight at 8 o'clock, I'm not going live with Shannon because of everything else that's going on in my world. But Shannon is going live at 8 o'clock tonight. Let me pull it up because I don't want to tell you the incorrect information. Let's see. Here we go. Yes, she is doing a. Oh, I thought she was going live tonight. I must be mistaken. I think I may have seen something. I could have sworn. Let me look on my calendar because I usually write down, even if she has a live, I write it down so I can talk about it. Um, Let me get my calendar open here because I was thinking she told me. Huh. Well, I guess not. I thought I'm going to go to her Facebook page. Hold on a minute. Let's see. Let's do this. I could have sworn. Well, I must be losing it because I could have sworn she was doing a live tonight with someone. So I think I'm losing my mind. Let me do one more quick look here at something. There it is. I knew it. I knew it. So I'm not losing it. I'm not losing it. Yay. um, she is doing a live tonight. It's called the Spooky Stitching Live Holiday Homicide. And she is, let's see, who is she doing this with? Uh, the Crafty Witch. Shannon and the Crafty Witch. There it is. She has a thumbnail up that looks like this, but it is tonight on her channel. Oh, it says, and you can watch it on her channel or the Crafty Witch channel. And it starts at 8 o'clock Central, 9 Eastern tonight. So make sure you tune in for Shannon's live. And let me give you an update on next week since I'm going to be out of pocket this weekend. Um, Next week, I have Battle of the Stitches. We're on Wednesday. Um, and we still have all week of the 12 days of Christmas. And then Shannon and I will be doing our Film to Fiber live on the 12th, Friday night the 12th, starting at 8 Central, and you'll be able to watch it on either my channel or hers. And we did White Christmas. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. We are doing White Christmas for our film, and we're going to reveal the project that we made for that inspired us from that movie. So stay tuned on the 12th for that live. And yeah, that's what's going on. So I'm going to get off of here because I have got to finish getting ready to go pick up my mom, and got to get this video loaded so you guys can watch it. So stay tuned. Um, Today, and I'll post a picture on my community tab, but I also wanted to shout out Heather at Strings and Threads. Guys, if you have not watched it yet, you need to. You can get caught up super easy. She is doing an Advent crochet along, and she's giving you clues each day this month through the 24th. And it's super simple. Each clue has only taken me about 10 to 15 minutes to do. That's it. So it's super doable. And if you haven't started it yet, you can catch up really quickly. This is what we have after, this is what I have after the third clue. We have this little guy. It's like a little tray. I'm not sure what all we're going to make from this, but this is clues 1, 2, and 3. Clue number 1 was the base. Clue number 2 were these first 3 rows of double crochet, and clue number 3 was the rows of waistcoat stitching. Can you tell I'm remodeling a house? So anyway, but this is what we have so far after the 3 clues. So guys, I don't know what all this is going to end up being, but she's adding a little bit to it every day. She has a playlist on her channel. I will look up that playlist and I'll link it in the description box so you can go check it out. But she has a playlist and you can go back. It has a beginning introductory video that tells you all the supplies you need for the whole month. And then clues 1, 2, and 3. And I will be watching clue 4 this morning after I get back from taking my mom to the doctor. I will be watching and adding clue 4, and I'll post pictures to show you what clue 4 looks like. But you guys, this is fun and it's quick and easy, and you need to be doing this Advent with Heather. If you're not doing another crochet along right now, this is something you need to do, because I have a feeling this is going to be some kind of a decoration that we can put out at Christmas. And Heather did one last year and I wasn't able to participate. I had too much going on. But I got done with things earlier this year. So last year's was really cute. I know this one is going to be too. And I can't wait till we get through all the days to see what we got. So I'm going to get off of here. And like I said, get ready to take my mom to the doctor. I will talk to you guys tomorrow for day 5 of 12 Days of Christmas Collab. Yay! Have a great Thursday, y'all, and I will see you soon.